idea behind the first project class is that we are not looking to create any specific model. Rather, we are just getting used to the tools that allow us to create 3D objects. So let's continue on with this video on how we can delete geometry from our models rather than adding them. So for example, let's say we select a singular face. If you remember from a previous video, we are able to delete objects by pressing the X key. But what does the X key do by itself in edit mode? Well, if I press the X key, it brings up the delete menu. Here we have a wide variety of options for the types of geometry that we can delete. For now, let's go with the faces option. I can left click and the top face will be deleted. This allows me to view inside of my model. Let's select this next face here, just below. Press X and delete face. Now we can see all the way through our object. Sometimes you may delete geometry that you did not want to get rid of. Again, you can use the undo function, which is to hold down Ctrl and press C. The type of geometry that you delete is going to have a significant influence over what is left behind. Deleting faces is simple enough, but what happens if we delete vertices? We're going to select this face here, press X, and this time I'm going to delete the vertices. What do you think is going to happen to the model? Keep in mind that when we grab, rotate, and scale the selection, it influences all the geometry that surrounds it. So does this apply to deleting geometry? The answer is yes. If we delete the vertices, we not only delete the top face, but all of the faces that were connected to it. The reason why is because when we delete a vertex, we are deleting all of the faces that that vertex is applied to. A face is dependent on the vertices used to create it, and so if one of those faces is taken out, then the face can no longer exist. And this is why in this scenario we ended up deleting 5 faces instead of 1.